Hey y'all, welcome back. So today is going to be another haul. I've really been enjoying these hauls lately, if you cannot tell. So today is another haul. It's going to be another Bath and Body Works haul. Okay, so Bath and Body Works had yet another sale. I feel like Bath and Body Works has sales like every week, but Bath and Body Works had another sale on their hand soaps. Okay, on their hand soaps. And you guys won't believe this is my first time ever buying hand soaps from Bath and Body Works. I typically like dial soap because it's supposed to be like antibacterial, like 99% or something like that. But I was like, I kind of want like some soaps that kind of coordinate to the kitchen and the bathroom, and some amazing scents, because you guys know I love scents. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this haul, but before we get started, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button too if you want to see more videos like this from me. Okay, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ariell Ash, and let's jump right into it. Okay y'all, so we are gonna start off with Cactus Blossom. Cactus Blossom, this is a scent that I actually buy the candles in. I buy Cactus Blossom candles and I really like them. It's a gentle scent. Let me see if I can sort of describe it. Ooh. It's very soft. It has a little hint of sweet and fresh to it. Like a flower, like a soft sweet flower, but not overly sweet. Smells like it could be a very soft perfume, and I like it. So for this bad boy to be on your hands, for your hands to smell like this, I could see that this will be a winner. Okay, so this is Cactus Blossom, the Bath and Body Works Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Okay y'all, so next is going to be Chamomile plus Bergamot Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. So this is from their aromatherapy line, Chamomile plus Bergamot. So it's a really pretty blue color. I don't have anything blue in my house, but so this is just a very it gives you that. It smells like what it is, chamomile and bergamot. Very nice smell. It's a very ritzy-like smell, fresh, and it smells like maybe it could be a man's cologne, but a very soft man's cologne. Nothing too strong or overpowering, kind of faint. It's a warm, inviting smell as well, so I can see this smelling amazing on the hands as well. Okay, you guys, so next up is Golden Sands. This is another, I guess they're all foaming. It says it has natural essential oils in it. Golden Sand, this is what it looks like. You guys, let's see. Okay. It's a very warm, you know what? This reminds you of the beach. It reminds you of a warm day or a hot summer day on the beach. It smells very warm and inviting. All I can say is it smells beachy, not like the water beach, but just like it says sands. When you smell it, it puts you in the mind of a warm summer day on the beach. It smells really good, y'all. Like when you smell this, you want to just like, one of those melty like feelings. So yeah, this one is Golden Sands. I really like this one. So far, I've liked all of them. That one's amazing. Okay y'all, so next up, White Cranberry Cabernet. White Cranberry Cabernet. Okay, this one smells like a sugary lollipop. So I guess it's the cranberry and the Cabernet. Yeah, it does give you a hint of wine, but it smells like candy to me. Smells like candy to me. Not a bad smell at all. It's not my favorite, but it's definitely not a bad smell at all. It smells like sweet candy. Pardon the background, you guys. I've really been experimenting with getting the perfect well-lit background, and as you can see, every video looks completely different. So I'm to the point where I'm ready to hire somebody. So we'll see how this goes. I'm still playing around with it. Hopefully the next video will get it perfect. Also, y'all, I'm really in the market to buy a new camera. I've been using my Canon camera since I started YouTube like 7 or 8 years ago, and I just want something that's just more up to date, with that'll just allow the color to be more banging. I want something with Wi-Fi where I can just automatically upload to the internet and possibly do some live streaming from the camera as well. So that's something I'll probably take y'all on a trip to buy a new camera pretty soon, because I'm really been trying to work that out. But next up, kitchen lime. This is kitchen lime, and this one smells like lime. This one reminds you of candy as well. It reminds you of like a some lime flavored candy. That's the best way I can explain it. Like a Airhead or something. I love Airheads, by the way. A Airhead or something like that, but it definitely smells like a lime candy. So not bad, just not my favorite. Okay, y'all, next up, Bergamot and Lavender. Y'all know I love Bergamot. I like the packaging on this as well. Bergamot and Lavender. This one's okay. This one to me smells like grass, like warm grass. Doesn't smell bad, but not my favorite. This one is Bergamot and Lavender. Doesn't smell bad, but not my favorite. Okay, y'all, so next up is Sunshine and Lemons. This one's really cute. I actually ordered this off the website because of the packaging. My kitchen, I'm in the process of doing the kitchen decor. It's taking me a while, but I've decided to completely change what I was doing. I was doing like chrome and black and something else. Now I completely changed my mind because of the countertops. It's hard to match stuff with. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go with white. Everything in the kitchen's gonna be white. So that's the reason why I bought this one, because it has like the little marble feel, even though I don't have marble in there. I just wanted white accents in the kitchen. So this one is Sunshine and Lemons. Smells lemony. This reminds you of, do y'all remember, I don't even know if they still make this, but do y'all remember the dishwashing liquid that you wash the dishes with called Joy, and it was yellow and lemon? I don't know if y'all remember that. I have not even seen that for sale in so long, but that's what this smells like, Joy dishwashing liquid. So very nostalgic. Okay, the next one is, oh, this is another one. Okay, so both of these are Sunshine and Lemons, just different packaging. So they smell the same, different packaging. I didn't realize I had done that. Next up, the Perfect Autumn. The Perfect Autumn. So let's see how this, oh, this one has plastic. This is the first one that has like plastic on it. So let's see, my poor fingernails, y'all. Y'all see my nails aren't done. For some reason, I have been having bad luck with my nail situation. I've been on an antifungal medication for 3 months, you guys. I just finished it up a couple of weeks ago because I was going to the nail shop like every 2 weeks since I was like a teenager. Getting my toes done, and of course with the boom of shellac and everything like that, with that drill, it just drilled my nails to super thin, and I ended up catching a fungus on my toe. They, long story short, went to a podiatrist. They removed my entire toenail. It's supposed to take 6 to 9 months to a year to grow back. So it's growing back nicely. And then I took my nails off a couple of weeks ago and realized same thing is happening to my fingernail, y'all. So I'm just gonna give nails a break for a while because I don't know what the heck is going on. We ain't gonna sweat it though. So the Perfect Autumn, and ooh, yeah, smells like the Perfect Autumn. It gives you a little bit of, you know, when you get those little packets that you pour into like your bowl for decor, and it smells like cinnamon and leaves, and that's exactly what this smells like. Very autumn-y. So that's pretty good. Next up is Sparkling Tea and Bergamot. There go that bergamot again. So let's see what this one smells like. This, okay. Ooh. This one smells like a masculine cologne. Nothing too strong, but just like a faint cologne that a man would wear. But a fresh cologne smell. I like those type of smells. If y'all seen my candle hauls and other videos as far as scents are concerned, perfume, you know this is my type of smell. So this I really, really like. Sparkling Tea and Bergamot. Okay, next up, coconut sandalwood. Coconut sandalwood. It smells like a little bit of coconut and a little woodsy, just a little woodsy. Very warm smell. Trying to think of what it reminds me of, but I can't think of it. It reminds me of something, but it just has a faint woodsy and a little bit of a coconut smell. Smells pretty good. It's not one of my favorites, but it's definitely not a bad smell at all. Okay, y'all, next up is Mahogany Teak wood. I actually have this currently in my bathroom now, Mahogany Teak wood. I buy these candles, the Mahogany Teak wood candles as well. Masculine smell, very ritzy, expensive smell, so I do like this. And it smells almost just the same in the soap version. It's a little milder of a smell, which I would expect. So I like this. This may be my number one out of all of them so far, Mahogany Teak wood. Okay, this is another Mahogany Teak wood, and this one is Gentle and Clean. Redwood Apple. I guess it's from the Gentle and Clean line. Redwood Apple. And I bought this one too because of the white packaging. All of the white ones I bought because of the white packaging. This one smells like strong cinnamon apples. I'm not crazy about it, but it's not a bad smell. It's fresh and it smells like cinnamon apples, so that's not a bad thing. I just don't like to smell like food and fruit and stuff like that, and it's a really strong smell, but it's not bad. So you guys, I think that was the last one, y'all. That was the last one. So these were all on sale for $6.50. I think the regular price might be around $12.50 or something like that, or $13.50. But they were on sale for $6.50 each. So I was like, ooh, let's get some, you know. So new house, new scents. You know, I've been trying new things lately. I've been shopping at new stores lately. I can't wait, you know, to kind of show y'all about that. You guys, I've been filming vlogs so y'all can see when I go shopping during the day while the kids are at school. That's typically what I do if I'm not filming or doing something with real estate. Typically I'm out and about shopping, so, or at the gym. So I've been recording some of that stuff. I can't wait to show y'all the footage of that, y'all. Just me having a ball, okay? So like I said, y'all, I want a new camera. It's so bright behind me. If you guys are savvy with cameras, please comment down below and let me know what's your new camera or latest and greatest camera, or maybe a camera that you know somebody has. Let me know, because I'm in the market for a new camera. But that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time seeing me. If you like this video, hit that like button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.